Ever wonder how a simple potato becomes this?
Same vegetable, completely different product in just minutes.
This exact temperature separates perfect chips from disasters.
See this water? That's the enemy we have to eliminate.
Inside here, 50,000 potatoes are being sorted right now.
This blade will slice each potato into perfect thickness.
It all starts here at sunrise with fresh harvested potatoes.
All right, bring it in slow. Slow now, easy. And hold it. Stop. All right, bring it back. Swing it around this way. Keep coming. Steady now.
Every delivery gets inspected before entering the production line.
All right, clear the bed. Back it up now. Right there, bring it down slow. Steady.
First step removes all field dirt and debris completely. What contaminants could still be hiding on the surface?
Every drop of moisture matters in the next stage.
Human eyes catch defects machines might miss completely.
Quality check looks good.
Sizing conveyor operating within parameters.
Size determines slice thickness and final chip quality. Why do some potatoes get rejected at this stage?
Peeling removes more than just skin from each potato.
Perfect potatoes now move to the transformation stage ahead.
The flow rate is stabilizing now. Keep it steady at 40 tons per hour.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current settings.
The alignment on sector 3 is drifting slightly. We need to adjust the feed rate.
I see it. Adjusting now.
Why must every water drop be removed before frying?
How are the colors looking down there? Oh! Almost perfect, just need another 30 seconds.
Temperature precision determines crunch versus burnt every single time. Cooling must happen gradually to preserve that perfect crunch. Every batch gets tested for crunch and flavor consistency.
How do they keep chips from breaking during packaging?
Weight check confirms 69 grams. Consistent.
Noted. Keep the speed up.
Sealed bags protect freshness for months on the shelf. Each pallet holds 2,000 individual chip bags ready.
Scan complete. Inventory shows 50 units.
Okay, 50 units confirmed on the manifest. From factory to stores happens within 48 hours.
All right, bring it back slow. Clearance on the right is good. A little more, ease it back. Okay, hold it right there. Set it down.
What journey do these chips take to reach you?
$24, $25, $26. Okay, that pallet is good.
Final stop before shelves is quality verification again.
From muddy potato to perfect crunch in one factory.